So here we're going to show how the STARR HR4656 fits conveniently with the new STARR ReadyFit Identical Connection System LED bulb kits. For the HR4656, we're going to need a 9007 bulb. And if you look at the bottom of the box, we have a 9007 ReadyFit bulb. Just going to open this up. This is the adapter cable that comes with the light. And as you'll see in the STARR reflector headlight, it comes stock with a 9007 halogen bulb, which will just untwist the flange and remove the halogen bulb. Notice the anatomy of the halogen bulb. There's a notch on the top. This is really important. As you can see that the bulb is actually aligned with that notch. We're going to pay attention to that because as we pull our LED bulb kit out, we're going to see how similar it is. This is a STARR 9007 ReadyFit bulb. You can see it has the notch on the top, and it is a dual filament bulb. You can see by the two rows of LED chips. The top row is the high beam. It is the most forward to the front of the bulb, and the bottom row is the low beam LEDs, and they are closest to the base of the bulb. We're going to simply take this, stick it in the light, and grab our adjustment ring and twist lock that in place, and we are ready to go. Our adapter plug can be clicked on, and we connect the H4 to the wiring harness of the vehicle. You have now updated your STARR halogen reflector headlamp with an LED bulb kit featuring the 9007 ReadyFit bulb.